prayer. So, Snoop Dogg, on a hope and wing and prayer. I'm gonna answer that for you. You're gonna go back and forth on that. But who are you really? Snoop Dogg, come on. Did you know I got myself in trouble on purpose? Because I believe in medicine. Not being labeled like us and held captive by people who used it to do the same thing you were doing anyway, sir? Did you know? By shaman rights, I'm with you there also, where you went for information that helped you connect to you and that innocence again. Did you know, Snoop Dogg, that Snoop Lion is also part of you? Did you know that no one needs to be validating that for you now? You're the only valid one with you. Who is Snoop Dogg? Good question. Well, I bet it's the being answering that question in its silence, wondering the very same fucking thing. Don't do that. You are who you are. And it's perfect. You take it from this one. I know. I know you very well. Because I know me. So if you know yourself, Snoop Dogg, don't go changing because they put the pressure on you. Believe me, they like to do that. Let them do that to themselves now. I'll take care of them there the same way I'm taking care of you. And I'm telling them if they want that equality, they need to do that for you also. So we can all get with that equalism I just found. And yeah, to tell you you're okay just the way you are. They will disagree, and I'll say, really? Show me. Who's the judge? Now. Okay, don't judge others. Told you that. You're not the judge. Here. But I know one who isn't judging because that one is love, dear. I know. Hard to explain, but that's the parts of you you complain about. To complain? Why? Those are the parts of you that you need to make peace with. That's the part of you I'm making peace with now. That's how. It's called love. I accept you just the way you are, each and every one of you. If you're gay, you're gay. That's happy. If you're gay in another way, that's it. Your deal. If you do drugs, awesome. If you don't, awesome. If you like war, awesome. If you like peace, awesome. If you like sleep, awesome. If you like waking up, great. I like coffee too sometimes. Sometimes I don't. Depends on my mood. And where I'm at with this awesome right now. Because I'm telling you, no matter what it is that you chose, this, personally, is awesome. Without all of that. I don't need that to be me. Because I'm me without all of that. Either way it goes. Now, back to you, Snoop Dogg. I'm so happy for you. You know why? All you need is the air, sir. I'll show you a way to get higher than Mary Jane could ever take you. I'll show you who you really are. That's who I am also. I'm telling you. It's good to be humble. Sometimes you gotta be humbled. And the most humble, well, they fall from great heights. Some say the highest, so we're going back. I'm gonna take you. Taking everybody with me too. All that judgment they gave you, I'm taking it from them. I forgive you. You didn't know any better, but now you do. Don't do it again. Now, everybody relax. Breathe right where you are. You see people homeless. Care. Care enough to know how to help. If you don't know much time not giving a fuck. That's you right now. Honor that. Give a fuck a little bit more. Find a way to help them. We have plenty of people out here to do it, but if we all do it by ourselves, one day, there's just one person doing it. Can't do it for the whole world, so I need the world to help itself too. And if you become part of the complacent part of you, well, like a stagnant pond, I'm just gonna have to run a river through you. So flush the old out. Make way for the new. Yeah, I'm hungry too. You know, live and let live. Don't judge the world. Or it'll judge you when you're done. No, I'm loving you here, everyone. I'm saying one day, that will be done. When it's done, today is that day for you. As far as I am concerned. Guaranteed. Today is not my day to judge me. It very well may never be. I like the sound